Alright, in the studio we are. Here is the fan. A little side view there. I guess you're looking for an opening like this, and this slides right in. I don't know, probably put a screw in on the top. Power 110 voltage, 26 watts, 6-inch fan. Oh, what's this? Please remove before use. Okay. Aha. I'll put that there for a second. Are these flaps? Okay. Here's the pull chain. Opens those up. Is that the camera? Oh, reverse. There's a reverse. You can suck air in from outside. Oh, nice. Blowing air that way. Hit the other way. Draws an air from the outside in. One more time. Closes it. There you go. That's kind of cool.